Right, how do you make flashcards? That's what we'll discuss in this video. So to begin making flashcards, we need our material. I use cardboard that I just get from the stationery. You can also get them already cut out, but that's usually a bit more expensive, so I just make them myself. What you also need is a pen and a pair of scissors if you're not that great at tearing the paper. So here I'm just folding the paper and tearing it. I like to tear it because you get these little edges that look nice. Obviously it's much easier to do it by scissors, or if you have a copy shop nearby or a library where they have a cutting machine, you could go there and cut hundreds of flashcards much quicker. And for the first example, I write a word in English and on the other side the word in Dutch. The second example is a knowledge question, for example for history or economics. The third example would be a chemical compound such as ethanol. The fourth example is learning how to multiply fractions, and on one side I write down what I'm supposed to multiply with a question mark, and on the other side I write the solution with the instructions. So in this case, multiplying what's on top and multiplying what's on the bottom. The fifth example is getting a bit more complex, and this is where I draw a example mathematics question. I draw the situation and ask myself, how do I get to know what L this line looks like? So the situation is that we have this function and we have a line that touches the function at some point. And we need to figure out how we can determine the line L. There's a little plan you can use that I would call PSL. I like to use acronyms for these kind of plans because they're much easier to remember, which is point, slope, line. And that's it. So that was it. That's how I make flashcards. I'll make more videos on how I specifically make flashcards for certain topics like grammar or mathematics. So if that's something you would like to see, let me know in the comments. And other than that, just like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.